Assalamu alaikum. This video is to orient my students, grades 7 and 8, to how to find the exam assignments on Jupyter and how can they move from a question to another. It is just an orientation to online exam on Jupyter. Luckily, we already have some experience to that, since I previously conducted quizzes on Jupyter before. So I think you are mostly familiar on the process, but let's refresh our minds and direct that to those who might think it's useful for them. Okay. Okay, I will share a screen with you now to show you how to find the assignment, the exam assignment. But of course, the first thing to do is to open your account, access your account. Try to do that before the time of the exam. So for example, if your exam starts at, let's say 11, 12, whatever, go and open your, access your account maybe 30 minutes earlier, just to give yourself a chance to check your connection, find the exam easily due to any circumstances that might appear. Okay, so first, access your account using your password and username as usual, as you always do. Second, I'll share a screen now with you. Second, when you open your account, go to grades. Can you see it? It's on the screen now. Look, this arrow refers to grades. Don't go to to-do list, go to grades. Okay, then make sure you choose the subject that you're going to take the exam in. For example, if you've taken the exam in English, make sure that this says English, and make sure that this says third quarter. Okay, so this says third quarter, and this says English grade 7 or whatever grade you are in. If when you open this list, you find all your subjects. So choose the subject that you are going to be tested in. Okay, then go down this list, go down until you find the exam. Usually it will say, it will be titled as third quarter exam or quarter 3 exam. Okay, you will find it at the bottom of this list. This is the usual assignment list that you find your assignments in and that you find your grades in. Okay, so all you have to do is go to grades, click it, and then it will open this page. Then make sure that you have here third quarter, and then here the subject that you're going to take the exam in, and then go down this list until you find your exam. Okay, now I'm going to share with you one of the quizzes that we that grade 7 had before last quarter. Okay, so this is not, of course, this is not the questions of our exam or even close. They are questions from last quarter, previous quarter. It's in social study, in history. Okay, let me see. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll stop sharing now. Okay, now I'll share the screen with you to show you how to move from a question to a question. Once you open your exam, it will open a page that looks similar to this one. Again, this is not the exam, of course. Don't get smart. It's just an example of a quiz that grade 7 took before last quarter. Okay, so you will find this. This is a short answer question. You'll find the question here. This is the question, as you can see. I think it's clear. Okay. Look. This is the question. This is clear, I think. And then this is in this space. You will have to write your answer. Sorry. In this space, you have to type your answer. Make sure you type correctly, and make sure you type as fast and as careful as you can. Okay. This in this space, you will usually write one statement, two statements maximum. Okay, so when you try, there is an option here that is really useful. Look, you can click on this. Can you see it? Look here. Look at this one. This is an option that you can use. Look, you can.
In your opinion, did the physical features in Greece made the life of people easier or harder?
This is to make the text speaks to you. Okay, so this might not be useful for higher grades, since it's easier for you to read, inshallah. But it's really useful for the lower grades. Okay, another thing, this is the number of question. Here you will find the number of this question and the number of all the questions. Look here. Okay, 1 of 6. This is question number 1 of 6 questions. Okay, so then the next step is to go to this arrow. Okay, this will allow you to move from one question to another. Okay, someone might say, can I review my previous answers? Yes, you can, because you have here a back arrow and a front arrow. You can a forward arrow and a backward arrow. So you can move forward to the next question and move backward to the previous question to check or to review your answer again. Okay, so let's move to the next question, for example, to show you how to. Okay, so here you will answer short answer. Okay, then this is another example, another question, short answer question. This one is fill in the blank. This is fill in the blank. You only write one word. You are asked here to write only one word, here and here. Okay, this also another type of question. Also short answer. So we're now moving from a question to another. Okay, see, when you finish the round, you finish 6 questions, you move to the first question again. In this quiz, I don't have any multiple choice. I will show you multiple choice in another way, but it's really easy. Instead of having this space to write or to type your answer, you will have choices, and you will just choose the answer that you think is correct, and then you will click forward. So what happens after you finish? Okay, your exam is timed. It's only 60 minutes. This means 1 hour. So the exam will end anyway when you finish. So don't do anything. Just finish, and it will end at after an hour, in 60 minutes. If not, you can click here done. Done will submit your exam.